A local court on Monday acquitted former Prime Minister Imran Khan and other Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf PTI leaders in the cases alleged over violence, riots, obstructing public service and mischief by fire or explosive substance with intent to cause damage during the May 25th Azadi March. Judicial Magistrate Murid Abbas and Shehzad Khan pronounced the verdicts, which had been reserved after arguments. During the proceedings before Judicial Magistrate Abbas, the counsel for the PTI argued that the case could not proceed as the FIR had been filed by an unauthorized person, as the authority to lodge the case rested only with the one who had imposed Section 144. Besides, the lawyer argued that no video evidence could be presented against the ex-premier in the case. The defense counsel said that the cases instituted against Imran Khan were all politically motivated.
নগদে 500 টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ 20 কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।